Welcome back to Zee Connect. I am Priya and today I have a special treat for you. We are going to be making an Indian classic dish, butter chicken, paired up with some delicious naan. And to guide us through this process is our very amazing chef, Tarun. Welcome, chef.
Thank you, Priya. Hello, everyone. I'm excited to be here to share wonderful recipes with you. Butter chicken is a rich and creamy dish, and naan is the perfect accompaniment to soak all the delicious flavors. Made with highest quality ingredient, Lurpak Butter has distinctive creamy and delicate taste.
Lurpak Butter is known for its exceptional quality and smooth, delicious flavor. It is the perfect ingredient to elevate our cooking, bringing a touch of goodness to anything we make.
Absolutely.
Right, chef. So what do we need to get started with butter chicken?
So for the butter chicken, we need following ingredient. We have chicken breast cut, fresh yogurt, sliced tomato, sliced onions, fresh lemon, fresh coriander. For the spices, we have kasuri methi, dried fenugreek, sugar, salt, cumin powder, red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, fresh ginger and garlic paste, cream, and the most important, Lurpak butter.
Absolutely. So chef, tell me, what do we get started with first?
So we'll start with the marination of chicken.
Okay.
So we'll take a bowl, half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of yogurt.
Okay.
For the powdered spices, start with cumin powder, half a teaspoon, chili powder, half a teaspoon again, a bit of garam masala, turmeric powder,
Okay.
half a teaspoon. For ginger garlic paste, 1 full spoon of ginger garlic paste here.
Okay.
Now it's time to whisk. Do you want to whisk it?
I could try.
So whenever we whisk, we always go clockwise.
Okay.
It's the perfect way. This is how we, blend all the flavors in.
I can smell that. Am I doing a good job, chef?
Oh, lovely. It is looking really good. And if you see the color, this is gonna be the color for our chicken.
Yes. Great.
So one last thing, we are going to add some salt.
Okay.
So to taste, around 1 teaspoon. You can mix it. And our final ingredient, which is
The chicken.
chicken. So this is skinless, boneless, and chicken breast cut into cube size. So now we are just going to blend it in.
So let me guess, now this is ready to be kept for marination?
Yes, but we are missing out our core ingredient, which is Lurpak soft butter. So let's take a spoonful of butter and we are going to coat it all over the marination.
Okay. Looks great already without cooking.
Yes. And I really love how it blends so soft because it has got such a delicate texture. So it blends really well with the marination. Usually butter is a bit hard and you have to melt it down and do it. But this softer one, it's pretty good. So now, yes, we can marinate it and we can keep it in the refrigerator for minimum of 1 hour.
So while the chicken is being marinated, we move on to making the gravy.
Yes, so we are going to start with our Lurpak soft butter. We will take 1 full teaspoon. So for the gravy, it's pretty simple. I have used 1 onion sliced and 2 tomatoes. So 1:2 ratio, which always works because we need more of a tomato flavor into our makhani gravy.
So the butter has melted now?
Yes, so we'll start with our roughly sliced onions.
Saute them.
Yes, now we are going to saute them completely. So Priya, is it only me or do you also love the flavor of onions into butter?
I love it. I can already smell it and I can only imagine how the butter chicken is going to turn out.
Yes. So we'll let it sit for another 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Because we want our onions to be little in the golden color.
Yes.
see our onions got a nice golden color on it. It's the best time to put ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
So around half teaspoon and mix it through. So as you can see, the ginger garlic fragrance, it's already there. That means it's been cooking thoroughly.
Yes.
It's time to put tomatoes. 2 tomatoes roughly sliced, and we are going to mix it through. So why I'm using roughly vegetables here? Because in the end I'm going to blend it.
Blend the...
I want very smooth and fine gravy for my butter chicken.
Right.
So now our vegetables need some spices.
Yes.
So we're gonna start with cumin powder, half a teaspoon. Chili powder, half a teaspoon. We have to go slow with chili because we have already put chili in our chicken marination.
Yes.
And a bit of garam masala, it's like half teaspoon again.
Okay.
And turmeric, half a teaspoon. At this stage, we can also put salt. So 1 teaspoon of salt here.
Okay.
And let's mix the spices in.
It's already smelling yummy.
So now we'll let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes because we want our spices to be cooked thoroughly. So now it's almost done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lower down my heat. So our masala is ready. We are going to cool it down, and when it is cooled down, we are going to blend it. Till the time we are going to roast our chicken, or we are going to grill our chicken. So I've got a pan here. You remember we put butter in it?
Yes.
So we are not going to use any fat in it. We are going to use the same butter what it is already there in the marination, and we are going to drop it into
to roast it. Okay.
So we have pan right here which is super hot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take, you hear that sizzle?
Yeah.
So now we're going to grill the chicken breast.
Giving out a great aroma.
So Priya, our chicken is almost ready. Let's take it out in the bowl.
Okay.
It has got nice color.
Yes.
And I think it's all because of our butter. We didn't use any fat into the oil, just the Lurpak soft butter. It got a nice creamy touch to it.
Yes.
So the masala mix is almost cold. Now it's time to blend it.
Okay.
So this is now blended.
I see we've already got the color we need for the butter chicken.
Yeah, this is the perfect color we are looking for butter chicken sauce. So let's begin our butter chicken recipe. We are going to reheat the sauce again.
Wow, chef, I can't tell you how amazing this smells already.
But I'm going to dilute it with water,
Okay.
roughly about 1 cup. So once it starts bubbling up, it's the right time to put our chicken in.
Okay.
And all the juices of the chicken.
Yes. Okay, chef, so looks like the butter chicken is ready to serve. It's time to get the naan out then?
Yes, let's do this. So for the last finishing touch, I've got dried fenugreek, which is kasuri methi.
Okay.
And I'm going to crush them. Then we take half teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt,
Okay.
and we are going to mix it.
So we're ready to plate it now?
Yes.
Okay.
So let's begin the bowl.
Very mouth-watering.
I would say plate of deliciousness.
Yes. And the aroma is just something else. Garnishing it with some cream and...
Fresh coriander.
Okay.
So this is a butter chicken. Let's keep it here. For the naan, it's already ready. So we'll take our Lurpak soft butter. Just a half teaspoon. I want some fresh coriander. Fine chop it. We'll take the brush and let's mix it.
So you mix the coriander with the butter
Yes.
and this goes on to the naan.
Naan. So let's take our naan and apply some nice Lurpak coriander butter.
Yummy.
It's done. Let me just cut it into few pieces. For the plating, we'll use this.
Okay.
So this is your butter coriander naan.
Lovely. So our butter naan is all set to be served with
Butter chicken.
superb. Any final tips, chef?
Always use high quality butter for these recipes. Here we have used best of the best. Voted one of the best butters in the world, Lurpak. And my last is spoonful of Lurpak soft butter.
Great. Looks amazing. Thank you so much, chef, for sharing these fantastic recipes with us. I can't wait to try these.
My pleasure, Priya. I hope everyone enjoys these delicious recipes, making and tasting them.
So that's it for today. Enough calories, I guess. Try out these recipes at home and do let us know how they turned out. See you next time with more delightful dishes. And remember, great butter chicken starts with great ingredients. Do I even need to say Lurpak butter?